So we manage a ton of rentals, and we always use Kidde because it is one of the oldest and most trusted companies out there. But the reason why we get this one in particular is that this one on the back, look, no batteries. So you never have to replace the battery because the battery is built in and it lasts for 10 years. Now this is really useful because we just simply don't want to change out batteries all the time. It's strictly for the convenience. It's pretty much the same cost. But yeah, we don't have to think about those little chirps or anything like that for 10 years, which is pretty much its main selling point. So yeah, definitely recommend this to just set it and forget it. Highly recommend.